Hello children, I hope you all are fine. We continue with the preparation of salts. I had done two methods, direct combination and simple displacement. Today I come to the next two methods. Neutralizing an acid with a soluble base is known as titration. So this you will mark as titration and this will be your method number 3. Reaction of an acid with a soluble base. We will recollect the soluble bases NaOH, KOH, NH4OH and CaOH whole twice, but that is partially. So you have the reaction of NaOH with HNO3, NaOH with HCl, and you can also write the reaction of NaOH with H2SO4. Similarly, NH4OH with HCl, NH4OH with HNO3 and NH4OH with H2SO4. So here there will be 6 reactions. I will show them to you so that you can write them nicely in your notebooks. So you see NaOH with HCl will give me NaCl plus H2O. So this reaction between a base and an acid is called neutralization, but here you will write it under the heading of titration because your base is soluble in nature. Then same NaOH with HNO3. What will you get, children? Yeah, NaNO3 plus H2O. Then NaOH plus H2SO4. You get Na2SO4 plus H2O. Balancing 2, put here 2 children. So here water will become 2. So 1, 2, 3 reactions of NaOH with the 3 different acids which you have studied. Then you will write similar reactions with NH4OH. I remember we have done this in the chapter of ammonia, but I will repeat it for you. NH4OH plus HCl gives me NH4Cl plus H2O. NH4OH with HNO3 will give me NH4NO3 plus H2O, and you have NH4OH with sulfuric acid, which is H2SO4. You get NH4 whole twice, go back to your symbols and valencies, plus H2O. Here again 2. So these 6 reactions I have written for you. 3 reactions with KOH. KOH with HCl, then KOH with HNO3 and KOH with H2SO4. You will write under the heading of titration. Next heading you will write number 4. Neutralization. This will be the reaction between an acid and an insoluble base. Go back to the bases part and check the insoluble base. For example, you have here MgO with HCl, PbO with HNO3. CuOH whole twice with H2SO4. You can take CuOH whole twice with HCl also. But PbOH whole twice with HNO3 PbO with HNO3. You will not take PbOH whole twice with either HCl or H2SO4. I am asking you this question, why you are not going to take HCl and H2SO4 to form a lead salt by neutralization. You search for the answer. I will tell you the answer in the next class. So today you have here, in this you are writing your total 9 equations, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 equations here. They are all direct and simple equations, children. So write them today itself. So you will get 4 methods for the preparation of salts very clear in your head. After that, I will start the next method, that will be tomorrow. But before that, I will ask you the question, why you cannot prepare PbCl2, PbSO4 by neutralization. See, you are preparing lead nitrate, but you cannot prepare PbCl2 and PbSO4. Okay, children, we'll stop here. Write down this much. All the best. Take care.